Welcome to the Flowtify HACCP App tutorials. In this episode, we explain how to report irregularities in the app.
If you encounter problems with the proper completion of tasks, you have two options to document this. Either by swiping from right to left on the task's title, to either select a preset answer or to enter an individual reason why the task could not be completed as expected. Alternatively, tap on the title of the task to open it and to find additional information or attachments. Next, click on the violet button to enter an explanation. The better you describe the problem, the faster it can be solved. Your supervisor will have less questions to ask and can solve the issue in a timely manner. Tasks that reveal irregularities are always displayed at the beginning of a checklist. They are highlighted in purple. Here are a few general tips for handling tasks. You can always add photos to a task by clicking on the camera symbol. However, you can also add photos after a task has been already worked on. When adding pictures later, reopen the respective task by tapping on the title. Next, choose the camera icon in the menu bar. To exit the task, tap on the big X in the upper right corner. In order to undo a task where you have accidentally made a wrong entry, open the task again and click on the turning arrow between the red X and the camera icon. Now re-enter the correct information, or leave the empty task by clicking on the red X. Every change to a task, including resetting it, is documented in the task history.
We hope this tutorial was exactly what you were looking for. Give it a like if it was helpful. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date about new features.